This is Dutch veal meatballs with a butternut squash marinara. I broke down the veal into chunks to make it easier to pass through the grinder. I like to add 1 egg per 1 pound of ground meat to my meatballs, some herbs, cream, and breadcrumbs. I'll sear in a cast iron pan and finish in the oven. A nice fall addition to any marinara is squash puree. I'll roast it in the oven and blend it with my San Marzano tomatoes. I like to finish the dish with a little roasted squash and grate some fresh pecorino on top. Don't forget to add some charred grilled baguette.